Hi. In this video, we'll show you a quick and easy way to check your PC basic hardware specs, processor, memory, and other system info, including Windows version. Let's start by bringing up the information window where you'll be able to see your device specifications. On Windows 7, what you want to do is hit the Start orb in the lower left corner of the screen. From the Start menu, right-click the computer entry and select Properties. On Windows 10 and Windows 8, right-click the Start menu on the left of the taskbar, then select the entry named System. On Windows 11, open the Start menu. Type About Your PC. Then click the entry named About Your PC. It'll bring up a screen similar to this one, summarizing basic computer information. You can see the version of Windows you're running. If you have an edition of Windows 7, the service pack will also be listed here. In the processor section, the manufacturers such as Intel or AMD, the model, for example Core 2, and the speed measured in gigahertz are displayed. The installed memory RAM entry displays the total amount of RAM installed in the computer. For example, our PC comes with 8 GB of RAM. To check the total disk space left on your Windows device, just go to any folder. To do so quickly, click the folder icon in your taskbar if it's pinned there. Or use the keyboard shortcut Windows E. Next, select this PC or computer on the left. The available space on your local drive will appear under Devices and Drives. Over here, as you can see, we have 168 GB of data free. That's a simple way to see your free drive space. Make a note of your own Windows edition, processor, memory and free space. Thanks for watching.